idea is that the user, when press the wrong number, it's going to explode, and if the user press the right number, okay, let's add a chest. We go to the toolbox. We're gonna add this, the golden. We have it here. First thing we're gonna add is the question mark. We'll select the first one. I'm gonna place everything in a order name lab. Let's rename this one to chest. It's to base. And this question mark. We want to display the image over the question mark, the question, and the buttons to answer that question. So the first things we're gonna do is we're gonna work not with a billboard, but with a screen guide. Starter guide. Frame. Place it here only to check it. And then we're gonna start playing with it. We're gonna divide in 3 parts. So we're gonna place here. It's really important. Okay, 0, 0. 0, 0. With the size, it's not 200, we're gonna place here the 1. So it's gonna take all the length of the container. Now we're gonna 0.3. This is because this is the division of 1 between 3. Because we're gonna use 1 for the title, other for the question, and other where to place the buttons. Let's scale here. Can Control D, duplicate it. This one we need to be placed. The position should not be in Y, should not be in 0, should be in here. And the question will be 2 plus 2 equal question mark. Okay. Now the next is to add another frame that going to work as the container for the buttons. We're gonna name it buttons, and we're gonna first of all position is going to be 0.66. I'm sorry. Position is going to be 0 here, 0.66. Here, the size in X is going to be 1, and the The size in Y is gonna be 0.30. Okay, we have it here. Now we're gonna add one text button and another text button. So these two buttons gonna be position in position X 0. The size and scale is going to be 5 0, and the scale here 0 1. After doing that, we need to move this to the position next 0.5, so it's gonna be in the middle. So we're gonna have button left, button right, button left, and button right. So we're going to text. Let's put here the wrong answer. Let's say 10, and the right answer is gonna be here 4. The next we're gonna do is we're gonna select both of them, text scaled here. Okay, we have here. Now the idea is that this should appear over the question mark. Let's create a billboard here. Billboard GUI. And we're gonna duplicate this frame, Ctrl D. Now move the duplicate to here. That we're gonna see this in the origin. Okay, we can for now select this screen GUI, and we're gonna enable the false. Okay, other thing that we need to do is to select the billboard GUI and this property underneath. We're gonna select it and click here, question mark. Now it's gonna appear in the question mark. We need to do a lot of steps here. First of all, we're gonna go here where it says stud offsets, and we're gonna move it up to 8. There we have it. The other thing we want to do is to change the size to 0, 4, 10, 0, 10. We have it here. The next is to play here in the frame with the size. We're going to change it 0 to 1, 0, 1. Up there. This is the size, position, maybe 0, 0. Okay, so we have it here. It's in the right place and in the right scale. Okay, so let's create a local script, and we're gonna place it inside this frame here. Local script. So far so good. Now the idea is that we're gonna create an object value to point to the chest. Here, change the name to chest value. Value to chest. So the idea is that the chest should be transparency 1. Okay, collisions concurrent. Okay, after doing that, next we need to do is here we need to take, first of all we need to take this chest value. Of course. This is chest value. Chest. There's not collision, but it's can fly. Alright, so take this over here. Okay, now what we need to do is to put the explosion. Nice. Yeah. Okay, so this is the result we have here. If you press the wrong number, it will explode. Okay, let's see the results. It is that the user, when press the wrong number, it's going to explode. And if the user press the right number, the chest should appear. I hope you have learned through this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.